Hi, and welcome back to my channel. This is Alice here with the realhousesofthebayarea.com, and if you've been following along, you know that we have been doing a series called How to Renovate a Bathroom. And I thought, what better way to continue the conversation than to share with you how you can prepare for your bathroom renovation. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to clear everything out of your space. Now, most bathroom renovations are gut jobs, meaning we're going to be removing everything from the existing bathroom and starting from scratch. So that means you're going to need to remove everything out of your existing vanity, any storage cabinets, and everything in your bathtub and shower space. This is also an opportunity for you to dispose of any expired items, old items, or unused items. You're not going to be bringing it back into that new and improved bathroom, so this is an opportunity for you to dispose of it. The next thing that you're going to want to do is set up your temporary bathroom or your alternative bathroom. And if this is, say, your master bathroom, you're probably going to be using or sharing a bathroom with your kids now if you have children in the house. If you're lucky enough to have a second bathroom that is not used by most people, then it's just a matter of bringing in the essentials that you use on a daily basis. And these things might include your hair brushes and your combs, your hair tools like hair dryers and curling irons and flat irons, any of your cosmetics and any beauty products, feminine products and toiletries and your toilet paper. Those are all the things that you're going to need to make your life easy on a day-to-day basis, because trust me, it's going to feel a little awkward when you go reach for what you're used to reaching for in the drawer that's on your left-hand side, and it's not the same configuration in this temporary bathroom. But you'll survive, because we all do. But just bringing all the items that you need to use on a daily basis to kind of help you survive the next few weeks is going to make everything so much better. This also gives you an opportunity to assess what your storage needs are for your new and improved space to come. The next thing that you're going to want to do is to protect your floors. So for instance, if your bathroom is located inside your bedroom because it's a master bedroom ensuite, maybe there's carpet in that adjoining room, you're going to want to protect it because there's going to be a lot of traffic going in and out during the renovation, and you don't want that carpet to be ruined. What I recommend is putting down carpet mask. Carpet mask, if you're not familiar, is kind of like a large roll of saran wrap for your carpet. It's sticky on the backside, so it clings onto your carpet and keeps it in place. It's like a big sticker. The best thing for you to do is to take a look at the path that people are going to be walking. Your contractors or your trades are going to be walking to that bathroom. Now, if you're doing a full home construction, that's one thing, because your home is a construction zone and maybe all of the flooring will be ripped out and replaced. But if you are living in the home and you're only doing a bathroom, let's say, you're going to want to cover the path from the front door or wherever people are entering all the way to your bedrooms. Anywhere that you know that people are going to be walking, because they're going to be carrying dirty things, they're going to be carrying wet things, and you just don't want your carpet to be soiled. So if there's hardwood floors or tile or laminate flooring, you're going to want to protect that as well. Now, for harder surfaces, you could use paper drop cloth. So again, it comes in about 3-foot widths. It's kind of like craft paper that you lay down and you just tape it to your flooring. That will help protect it. It'll help protect it from a lot of the foot traffic, but it really isn't the best option because it rips very easily. We use it a lot, and over time, if it gets wet, it'll rip. If there's too much walking on it, it's going to rip. So the better thing to do is I highly recommend that you get something called ram board. It is also comes in about 3-foot widths. It might be even a little bit wider. But it's a much thicker material, so it's kind of like pressed board in a way, and it is a little bit more expensive. It's a bit of an investment, and so you may choose not to use it, but I honestly believe that the investment is well worth it, because if they accidentally spill something on the floor, it's going to absorb it a lot easier, and you can switch out that section afterwards, whereas paper would just soak right through. you would just tape it down with painter's tape, and it is the best thing that you could do for your peace of mind. Honestly, if you are at all concerned about protecting your flooring, that is the way to go. Just to give you an idea of cost, carpet mask runs about $40 for about 140 linear feet. I would probably get 2 rolls, 3 rolls to make sure that I had enough, because the last thing that you want to do is cheap out, and then that's that one section that didn't get covered that gets ruined, right? If we're talking about paper drop cloths, if we're just talking about the thin paper, that runs about $10 to $12 per roll of about 140 linear feet. It's not going to be a lot. It's not very expensive. Ramboard's going to be a little bit more at about $40 for 50 feet. But like I said, you cannot compare the Ramboard to your regular paper drop cloths. There's just no comparison. And the peace of mind that you have to make sure that all of your flooring is protected is worth the investment. Besides protecting your floors, you're going to want to protect any of your adjoining spaces. So as I mentioned, if it was a bathroom ensuite, you're probably going to want to get plastic drop cloths to cover over your bed and any of your furniture, because dust is inevitable. And so whatever you can do to keep it at bay, you would thank yourself. Now, something else that you can do, you can ask your contractors to do this, or maybe you want to do this yourself, is create a barrier between the work zone, the construction zone, and your adjoining space. So you could just hang up plastic drop cloths and use painter's tape to tape it up. And this will help keep the dust out of the area as much as possible. And then you can remove all of it at the end, and still we're going to do a deep cleaning after the fact. But whatever you can do to keep your other spaces as dust free as possible is the best that you can do. You're going to have to expect the dust. Dust is going to be a part of your life for the duration of the renovation, and even a little bit afterwards, unfortunately. That's just part of the process. If your contractor is conscientious, they will make sure to clean up after themselves, especially if it's a home that you're living in. I would expect that they would clean up after themselves on a daily basis. Now, if it's a construction zone and you're doing a lot of things beyond just a bathroom, they will not be cleaning up on a daily basis. Let's just be honest about that. But them cleaning up on a daily basis, and then you also doing a little extra work to clean up after them, is going to save your sanity in the long run. And plus, as you know, there's traffic and people are walking by and wind is blowing into the home, that dust is going to get blown around the house. That's just the reality. So whatever you can do to help reduce that in the short term will help you at the end as well. Of course, I highly recommend that you deep clean your home post-renovation. So hopefully, you know, everything that you've done has helped you survive the 6 or 8 weeks that it's taken to complete this bathroom renovation. I would be the first one to hire a carpet cleaner to come in and clean the carpets. I would have somebody come in and clean your windows, because it's amazing how much dust clings to windows. And if there's window coverings like blinds and things like that, have a house cleaner clean those. Take your drapery down and take it to the dry cleaners and have those cleaned. And then I would highly recommend that you have your house cleaners wipe down all of your baseboards and the interior doors and all of the casing. I took a Swiffer mop with a dry Swiffer cloth, and I used the flat surface to mop my walls. Try that. See what kind of dust is hanging onto your walls. It is crazy what you will find, I promise you. So expect the dust, and then just expect to clean it and hire out the professionals to help you in the process, because it's going to be overwhelming, but it's going to be very, very worth it. So as you can see, there's a lot of physical preparation and there's some mental preparation. And actually, the mental part was harder for me than anything else. I was so ready for it to be over. But just know that a little patience, a little preparation, and a little bit of work in between is going to be so worth it, because hopefully within 6 to 8 weeks, you're going to have a new and improved bathroom that you can live in and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you click that like button and then share it with your friends. If you know anybody who is embarking on a bathroom renovation in the near future, share this video with them. They're going to thank you, and I'm going to thank you, and we're all going to be very happy. So I appreciate your time. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so, and click that little bell so that you make sure you get the notification every time we post up a new video, and there will be more videos to come. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. As my gift to you, I have created a comprehensive materials checklist to make sure that you have everything that you need for your next bathroom renovation. Just go to howtorenovateabathroom.com to get your free gift now.